In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fruit salad at home with honey lime dressing. Thank you for tuning in for today's video, and if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Adiola Super. I welcome you to my channel. Please consider it subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on your notification bell. And to all my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Here are the fruit I'll be using for this fruit salad. So I'll be making use of pineapple, grapes, red and green grapes, kiwis, mangoes, strawberry, cantaloupe. So this cantaloupe I hope I call it very well, cantaloupe. So it's not common in Africa, but I like the fruit so much. So over here are the fruit I will be using with blackberry. So this cantaloupe, so I will go, I've washed it already, so I will go ahead to cut it into a bite pieces. So this cantaloupe, it looks like papaya after cutting it, but it is cantaloupe. Is so delicious. So this cantaloupe, so I'm not using a full one, so this is the size I'll be using. So I will also go ahead to cut my pineapple into a bite-sized pieces. After cutting the pineapple, I never throw the pineapple peel away because I use it for weight loss recipe and other home remedy recipe. This big bowl I will use to combine all the fruits. Over here is the pineapple and the cantaloupe. If you don't have this cantaloupe, you can make use of papaya, which is purple. After set that aside, I will go ahead to peel the mango and cut it into a smaller bite pieces. Please make sure you wash your hand, your tool you'll be using to cut the fruit and the fruit before starting cutting it, because you need to be clean while doing it. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So that is mango. After it has been cut, I will also go ahead to slice the grapes into two. So I will also add it to the other fruit and continue cutting the remaining. So this strawberry, you can cut the fruit into your desired shapes how you like. I will also go ahead to cut kiwis and add it to the fruit. Right now I'll be making the fruit salad dressing, and I'll be making use of honey lime dressing. So I'll be making use of lime seeds, which is the peel of the lime, and the lime juice with honey combined together. So I will go ahead by grate the back of the lime, that is the lime seed, and then that is the lime juice, and I will go ahead to mix it with honey because I want to make use of natural dressing in this fruit salad. This honey lime dressing has been well mixed. Then I will pour it over the fruit and stir it with fruit together. This honey lime dressing will make all the fruit flavor come out so great. So this blackberry, so I forgot to show you from the beginning because I left it in the fridge. So I will add it to the fruit because this blackberry also add a very great taste to the fruit and also make the fruit look so beautiful. You can enjoy this fruit salad along with your meal. If you remember this my fried rice, I have it in my channel, you can check for it. You can also serve it and enjoy it alone as snacks. Don't forget, after prepare the fruit salad, you can put it in the fridge to chill before serving it and enjoy. And this fruit can stay in the fridge for the couples of 3 to 5 days in the fridge. So guys, this healthy fruit salad is so easy to make, and remember, you can make use of any fruit of your choice. And if you are allergic to any of the fruit I use in this fruit salad, you can skip it by replacing it with any type of fruit of your choice. Guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friend. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and on your notification bell. Thank you so much as you're doing that. Till you see me in my next video. Bye.